Okay, don't spin.
I'm like on an airline.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay.
I got a puke bag ready.
Okay, I can do this if it doesn't spin. If it doesn't spin, I'm okay. Oh! Okay, that's the part that's not good. Oh no.
Do you realize he has never shut this down? You know that?
Okay, I made it.
Oh, he did shut it down.
No. I think you do. Yeah, John, so be careful.
Which way are we going?
Well, I think we're right in the middle. Oh, okay, that's it. I can't do that again.
Yeah. I think I got it. Thank you.
We'll see you
Have a
this
good
weekend,
evening.
right?
Some people, some of them.
We'll see you this weekend. You've been riding all weekend.
I'm